I just stopped here for a minute. I want to show you the view, how beautiful it is. And you can see over there ATVs. They're going in the mountains. That's so cool. I want to try it someday. And yeah, there is a field here. As you can see over there, there are a few trenches, like 4. And over there it's my brother coming. Yeah, they're going. Yeah. Enjoy the view and see you later. And here we just found another German dump it. There are a few vials here. And we also have a few cans, as you can see. A lot of trash. Some piece of plastic. And I'm not sure, but there might be more objects here. Not sure, but I'm gonna find out. Do you know what I like these dump pits? Because it's our best chance to find non-metal objects. For example, like this bottle over here. Not sure if you can see it. I hope it's not broken. I'm gonna dig this out. Today I also forgot to take my small shovel with me. And this will make my work harder. But I will reach it eventually. Yeah, you can see now clearly. And I'll come back when this will be out. Yeah, as you can see now, we can pull this out. Yeah, it's not broken. This is cool. German World War II bottle again. Oh my god. Look at this. We have a belt buckle.
What kind of belt buckle?
But you know what? This is made of zinc. Yeah, it's definitely German because we have the same texture like on the zinc buttons.
Oh, look at that, it's some paper over there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that is a piece of paper. Certificate. Dedicanti. State. Yeah, there is a text on this. As you can see. First time to see this kind of belt buckle. Though we don't have the applied part here. This is the missing piece from the belt buckle.
Wow, wow, wow.
And this is also made of zinc.
Or it's a badge?
No, it's not a badge.
Why not?
I can see the model is the same pattern like the other belt buckles. So this is definitely...
Dig that. Dig. Another cans. Be careful.
Yeah,
Don't destroy the thing.
I will be careful. I definitely don't want to destroy it. That's so rare. Yeah, there it is. Look at this.
It's zinc, and we have the eagle and goat meat ounce.
Yeah, got me arms. And I will show you where this was.
Look at that.
This was over here, just like this.
First time when I see a buckle like this.
Yeah, it's the first zinc one. Yeah, that's cool. That's a cool find. First time. They told you that I love these dumpets. You never know whether you're gonna find them. And we found a few other, like this finger protection. When they were repairing their clothes. And it seemed to be silver plated. Yeah, that's interesting. And we also found German food ratio. This is cheese, 20% fat. The same, a hook,
And a lot of cans.
a lot of cans, leather.
Here are the cans. About. And we're still digging.
Look what is he digging over there. You can see a bucket over there. And there is a pot over there. And maybe more objects. I'm not sure. And this is what I found. It's a piece from a door. And as you can see, inside these pots, we have cheese, German cheese.
Here it's a mark.
Yeah, we have a mark on the back. They probably took these from the near village when they settled here to prepare their food. And yeah, we are gonna take a short break now. I have to finish my sandwich, and after that we're gonna start again our search for German treasures from the field. See you later.